Interesting facts about shapes. Number 1, we discovered a new shape. The disclosure of another shape is something that doesn't make the news frequently. Be that as it may, on July 27, 2018, researchers uncovered the disclosure of another shape called the Scutoid. The Scutoid is an unpredictable eight-confronted, three-dimensional shape we can best depict utilizing a 7-colored pentagonal crystal. A pentagonal crystal has 7 countenances. That is, a pentagon top and base with 5 rectangular sides. Presently, envision the highest point of one pentagon was cut off to such an extent that it turns into a 6-sided hexagon. That cut stretches out into some portion of the 2 adjoining rectangular countenances to make another, however little, 3-sided face. That is a scutoid. Scutoids normally exist in the thrilling piece of human organs where epithelial cells expect the shape to permit them fit in, stay stable and save energy. Inquisitively, these cells exist as crystals and supports in different pieces of the organs and body. Number 2, we invented a new shape. At the point when researchers are not finding new shapes, they are designing them. Enter the Hemi Helix, another shape designed by Harvard researchers. With regards to numerous developments, the researchers made the shape coincidentally while attempting to make helix-formed elastic springs for another venture. Discussing helixes, the Hemi Helix is firmly identified with the helix. A helix is a winding shape that goes upwards. You unquestionably understand what springs, phone ropes and bended steps resemble. Those are helixes. You can without much of a stretch make a Hemi Helix from adaptable helix materials like a phone line. You just need to continue to turn the rope until a piece of it turns into somewhat more than the rest. The remainder of the helix will expect the very bended and longer structure as you keep winding, giving you a Hemi Helix. If you like what you watch, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Number 3, pizza slices are not triangles. On the off chance that you required one food to show shapes in a homeroom, that food would be pizzas. They are prepared around and around, cut in triangles and put away in square boxes. For what reason is this so? The truth is in reality somewhat more muddled. Pizzas are round on the grounds that is the most effortless approach to prepare a batter into a pizza. They are put away in square boxes in light of the fact that is the simplest method to move a roundabout article. Notwithstanding, they are not cut in triangles however in areas. An area is a cut from the focal point of a circle to any piece of its boundary, the bended line of a circle. A cut of pizza would have been a triangle if each of the 3 sides were straight lines. Be that as it may, it is a roundabout area since different sides are straight while the third is bended. Number 4, paper is not a rectangle. In the event that you asked a great many people the state of a piece of paper, they would reveal to you it is a square shape. Is a piece of paper actually a square shape? Paper is a cuboid. That is what might be compared to the square shape. Number 5, shapes that look like circles. On the off chance that we requested that you name any completely cycled 2-dimensional shape you would have referenced circles, wouldn't you? Circles are clearly the solitary completely round 2D shapes out there. All things considered, sorry to blast your air pocket, however circles are not by any means the only completely round 2D shapes in presence. There are a couple of other 2D shapes that are totally round, much the same as circles. Indeed, these shapes look such an excessive like circles that it is difficult to reveal to them separated. The 257 gon is one of those shapes. It is a polygon with 257 sides. A polygon is a shape with at any rate 3 sides of a similar length and point. A symmetrical triangle is a 3-sided polygon, a square is a 4-sided polygon, a pentagon is a 5-sided polygon, etc. All things considered, the 257 gon isn't the lone circle imposter. The 65,537 gon is another. It is a polygon with 65,537 sides.